Hi friends and family, welcome back. We're getting close to the end of the month, but that's okay because that means we have a new month of new surprises coming up. But for today, we are going to be reviewing Boxy Charm Premium. This is a box where you get to choose one choice item and I believe 6 full-size items for $35. And I'm excited because in this box, I know that there's an Ofra full face palette that I can't wait to get my little hands on. So let's go ahead and get started. Though I have not looked at this box yet. I just cut the seal, so it's easier for reviewing. But here we go. You always know that this is the premium box because it'll tell you inside. And let's take a sneaky peek. Sneaky business. That's what I tell my kids every time. I'm like, do sneaky business. Anyway, sneaky biz. So let's go ahead and, yeah, this is an exciting box. Oh, first of all, this is the theme of Fresh Start. You receive this card with all of the items and their prices listed down below. And you also get your variation number. It used to be a 2-digit number, but now it seems to be just a random set of numbers. So anywho, let's go ahead and start unboxing. So I'm going to start with this. This was my choice item. This is the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder. I chose this in the color Cashew. And I chose Cashew because we get a lot of these powders that are translucent colors and they're still a little bit light for my skin. I do use them and they're fine, but I really wanted a darker color, so I'm excited to give this one a try. Also, a surprisingly, choice went surprisingly fast because I saw the banana one was like sold out immediately, and I thought I logged on like pretty early to pick my color, and I was like, damn, everybody's going cuckoo for banana powder, but I went cuckoo for the cashew powder. So here's that. Of course, it comes in this beautiful package. Let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see what she about. And whoa, the seal is off. And that's okay because it gives us a chance to go ahead and test the color. Like, I want you guys to be able to see that color. So it's a little bit darker than translucent, which I'm super happy with. Here's the swatch on my finger, if it'll pick up. There's that, and then let's go ahead and put it on thy skin. So, of course, it's going to be translucent. Like, it's perfect for my skin. Like, that is exactly what I want in these powders. So, I'm super duper excited about this. This one is, let's see what the retail value of this Fenty Beauty product is $32, so almost the price of the box. The box is $35 and this was $32. So already, oops, I dropped it. Ah, please hold. Okay, so $32 for this. Like I was saying, the box is $35, so I can't get the lid on right. There we go. All right, so I'm excited about her. Next on the list is the Fenty Beauty, I believe it's a mascara. Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. So super excited about this. Two Fenty products in one box. I don't know why I'm showing you that. It's actually this side I should be showing you. Why am I shaking? Anyway, let's go ahead and open her up. This one is a, let's see, Fenty Beauty Full Frontal. This is $24. Oh, she's pretty. Look at that. Nice, beautiful size. That's gorgeous packaging. Holy cow. Let's check out the wand. And of course it's black. Oh yeah, okay. I like the wand. It looks very nice. Huh. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can tell a difference. And I'm not doing this with a mirror, so it's not gonna be perfect. We'll see, huh? But super excited about this. So another great product for this $35 box. And let's see. Oh, this is something I'm excited to try. So this is the, so it says silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth, antibacterial, ultra soft, boink, and reusable. And look how cute it comes in this little zip pouch. So that's nice. I love that it's reusable. It's super soft. I have not tried one of these yet, so I'm excited to get my hands on this. Looks like a good quality. It's a large size. Looks like it has this little hook right here. Probably put it in the shower or something, which is nice, or hang it, you can hang it up to dry it or whatever. It also said it was antibacterial, which is interesting to me. So this guy goes for 30 bucks. Holy cow, I would never pay 30 bucks for this, but I am really happy that we got it in a bag. Like, I saw one of these at Kohl's over Christmas and I wanted to buy one, but the line at Kohl's was just ridiculously long, and so for what I was buying, I ended up putting it back because it just like wasn't worth the wait, you know, and I never ended up going back, and of course they sold out. They weren't $30 though, I can't remember, but yeah. So anyway, I'm super excited to try this baby. So let's go ahead and zip her back up in her little pouch. Zip, zippity doo-dah. All right, this is another nice, I'm excited about this. This is Laura Mercier in the color Coral. So this is a lipstick. Oops, have it upside down for you guys. So it says that it's coral, and I'm a little nervous because coral doesn't usually go good on my skin tone. There we go. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm willing to try it out. I like the lighter colors. Oh, this is a pretty packaging. Look at that. That's cute. And let's see. Oh, yep, there she is. It is pretty corally orange. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on my skin. Yeah, it's probably not a color I'm going to use. Darn it. See, it just doesn't go with my skin tone, I don't feel. But it is pretty. I mean, maybe I can give this a try, and maybe I can darken it up with a liner or something, because I definitely think that is possible. Let me find my little card. So for this is $32 also. I have a feeling this is going to be a pricey box at the end when we tally it all up. So let's keep going. We still got fun stuff. So we got the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Hydrating Hydrator. And there was a disclaimer that we received in an email, something about the burning the skin, and it's something with essential oils. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. This is a brand I've never tried. I'm willing to try it. They did suggest that you go ahead. Oh, it's gonna poop on me. They did suggest you try it on your skin before applying to your face to see if you have a reaction. I usually don't have sensitive skin like that, so it might be fine for me. Here's the nice cream. It's a nice thick cream. I don't really feel like it smells like a whole lot, so I mean, it does feel nice. So upgrade your skin. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll leave that on my skin while we're testing everything else out. We'll see what happens. I have a feeling that I'm pretty lucky with my skin, even though I do have eczema. Like I don't get really red or anything like that. So willing to give it a try. Like I said, we'll keep it on the skin till the end of the video. We'll wipe it off, see what happens. This is, how much is this? $48. 48 bucks. So, kind of a high-priced item to be a little iffy when it comes to the disclaimer they sent out. But again, we can't hold it against them. They're doing their best. Give them credit for correcting their mistake. Always good with that. All right, now this is something I'm super excited about, is the Ofra. I think it's a face palette. It's called Good to Go. Of course, I know everyone has seen this, but I haven't seen it up close and personal. Like, let's get personal. This is the Good to Go. And you know, oh yeah, it's so gorgeous. And I love this. It says, smile, you're beautiful. I love inspirational things like this. And look how gorgeous this palette is. Oh my goodness. I know we got, oh, look at how nice, look how nice their case is. It's all fancy. And then it has like this little, it's like a sponge squishy, it's a squishy thing around here. It has this nice little magnet to close it up. All right, let's go ahead and do some swatches. I know everybody's all hype about this green color, but let's go ahead and let's just do it. Let's just do it, man. So that one, this one, green one. Ooh, that is pretty. And pink. Oh yeah, they swatched very nice. Okay, let's put that on thy skin. So the first color is actually like my skin tone color, so you can't see it too well. But these colors, and it's not that it's not a good color or a good swatch, it's just that it matches my skin. And then these swatched extremely well, which we knew they would. So very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. I will have this on my Instagram, so please follow me for the swatches. I'm definitely gonna do a look with this green color and probably this pink color, but I'm not gonna put it in my tear duct because I know there's some kind of thing going around that everyone's doing that, so that's not what I'm gonna do. I'll probably put it on my actual eyelid or underneath down here. We'll see. To be continued. Stay posted. Stay Instagrammed. Just kidding. All right, so let's, oh, I didn't give you a price on this. So this is $39. So let's go ahead and do a quick recap. We got this full-sized, and this I believe was specially made for Boxy Charm, although I believe you can buy it on their website now, but it was originally designed for us subscribers. Ooh it, ooh it, ooh it, ooh. Okay, I know, I'm a nerd. All right, so we got this palette. We got the Jet Setter face cream. We got the Laura Mercier lipstick. We got the makeup eraser, which I'm excited to try. Like, I'm super happy with this bag so far. We got the Fenty Beauty mascara and the Fenty Beauty setting powder. So what do you guys think? Did you like this box? Was your box this great? I think this was amazing. I love everything and the variety that they put in. And even though we got 2 Fenty products, this is nice. I like that. I mean, this, holy cow, come on, man. Like Maine, bruh. Of course, we got a skincare item, which is nice. And then I love that we got this because it is makeup related and it is helpful. So, all right, let's go ahead and give me 1 minute to tally her up. And of course, my phone died out again. So, my honey, always, my babe, I call him my babe, always gets on me because my phone's always dead. But you know what? Do you think I learned? No. Why would I? Psh, psh. I'm too old to learn. Can't teach me new tricks. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. No more jokes. Like, calm down, chill out. Okay, 40. All right, let me focus. Hocus pocus focus. 32. Okay, so I got a total of $205. Is that right? Because I feel like I was talking a lot, but I feel like it would be worth a lot more, but because it was such a good box. So let me just double check myself. Yeah, $205. Okay, just want to double check. Don't want to be putting out fake news. And anyway, what did you guys think? Did you enjoy your box? Do you want to subscribe to this box? If you do, I will put a link below. I believe I may earn some charm points. I don't know for sure because when I signed up with 2 accounts and I tried to give myself credit like that and I never got it. So that's why I always just put I may, because I might not. I don't know how it works. Like I said, I created 2 accounts, 2 separate emails, and I didn't get charm points for referring myself. And like I said, I use a different email. So and I did that so that I can get the base box during our Lux months. So I'd get all 3. And like I said, I never got the points. So anyway, I may or may not. And if you're already subscribed, comment below what you thought. And I will see you guys in the next video. By the way, this is just itchy, like because it's moisturizing, or like, you know, when you put something wet on your hand. But other than that, I didn't get irritated by it at all. Like, you can see my skin's not red or irritated or anything. It just kind of was like that itch, like, you know, when you have something and you need to wipe it off, like that. But anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Deuces.